my name's Ella Osborne, I'm a practice educator for critical care, and today I'm going to show you how to set up the Airvo nasal high flow machine. This will be started once a consultant has agreed the plan of care and the care plan should be completed and the treatment prescribed. So to begin with, you're going to need a machine, and these are the equipment you'll need. So you will need a bag of sterile water for irrigation, a breathing tube circuit, the nasal high flow interface and some oxygen tubing. When you get your machine, it should have the red tubing on it, so that needs to be removed, and these need to be kept in the black bag that should be hung on each machine. Make sure we don't throw these away. The machine will need to be plugged in as it doesn't have a battery backup, and it will need to be plugged into your walled oxygen supply. Each machine should have a green sticker on before you use it as well. So start by opening your packets. Pull your tab. And put your elbow on. And then this slides and clicks into place. So push this down, slide this in, and you should get a clip. And then you can spank your humidification bag, she says. You can hang on the trip stand. The interface will be in the same packet as that. And this just clips on the top here. And then the nasal cannula is separate. And that will click into place. You then need to connect your oxygen tubing to your flow meter to the machine. So flow meter there, and machine down here on the side. So that's it set up and ready to turn on. Once you have the on buttons at the back here, just press and hold and wait for a tone. You should see a traffic light system, and green is good for a new patient. It will now start doing its self-checks. Once you see the settings on the screen, you can start to make changes to these whilst the machine heats up to the starting temperature. To make changes to your settings, you use this play button to work through temperature, flow, and then you would use the flow meter in order to change the oxygen concentration. While it's heating up, I will show you how to do that. So you press play and get to your temperature. We should be starting all patients on 37 degrees. This is the optimal humidity. There is two other settings, which is 34 and 31. 31 shouldn't be used for nasal high flow, but 34 can be used to help with tolerance. The flow should be started at the starting rates on the prescription. For example, I'm going to use 60 litres. You will press and hold up and down until it unlocks and flashes, and it goes up in increments of 5. To confirm the setting you want, press play once and it will lock that setting in. To change your oxygen, go onto the screen on play, but use the flow meter. Ignore these digits here and instead look at the numbers here. This again will be the prescribed rate on your prescription for that individual. I'm going to use 55 as an example. And if you click play again, it'll take you back to your home screen. The machine is still doing its checks and you will hear a 3-tone alarm when it's ready to use. This is now ready to use. During treatment, to make changes to your settings, you do it in the same way. Simply press the play button until you get to whichever one you want to change. For instance, the flow, if you wanted to turn that down, you would press and hold up and down. Go down, again, it goes in increments of 5. Click play to confirm and then press play again until you get back to your home screen. If there is any issues, the alarm you will hear will be this button can be used to mute for 2 minutes, and once the problem is resolved, the machine will automatically do a self-check sound and revert back to the home screen. To discontinue therapy, you would simply press and hold this button to turn it off and use the oxygen flow meter to turn off the flow of oxygen to the machine.